How to use your points on Shein. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll learn how to use points on Shein. So let's dive right into the process. Begin by opening the Shein application and ensure that you're logged into your specific account. As you land on the homepage, your journey to utilizing your points begins. The first thing that you must do is to make a purchase and select an item that catches your eye and proceed to place an order. Let's say you have chosen a particular product. Simply select the quantity and size that suits you and then tap on Add to Cart. Once you have filled your virtual cart with all the desired items, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you spot a small C icon. Click on it and then proceed to tap on the Checkout. This action directs you to the page where you need to input your shipping address. After completing this step, choose your preferred shipping method and scroll down to select your payment method. Here you have the option to apply your voucher or utilize a gift card. However, for the purpose of this guide, let's focus on using your accumulated points. Locate and tap on the points option, and within this section, you can seamlessly redeem your points by entering the amount you wish to utilize and then clicking on apply. By following the simple steps, you will successfully apply your points towards your purchase and making your shopping experience even more rewarding. So this was all about it.
So if you found this guidance beneficial, we kindly invite you to show your support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.